Hello everyone, today I'm teaching you how to install your power supply, and you can see it's quite different. It's the view from a different angle. So power supply is all your power you need, and all the power that comes from for your computer. So here I have iPower 580 58H and 650 watt. And to calculate how many power you need, you have to go on the website and they will give you information about that. Yeah, you have to put all your pieces, everything. So buy your power supply less. And so now we're moving on to installing our power supply. So power supply, I will recommend you to put this in not straight in here but straight down here. So we can see there's tons of wire, so just leave that on the side. We don't need that actually. So now we have to put this in right here. And nice and easy. Oh, not. Okay, this wire is quite annoying. I gotta put that down here so I can put this straight. And there we go. So now we have to put our screw down there, and so now here we go. Let's move this. Okay, so okay, it's kind of annoying right now. Why is this not fitting inside? Oh, this piece is down there. Okay, there we go. This should fit right down. Yeah. Okay, my fault. Use your hand to start it first. Okay, maybe not. Screw this in actually. Also, on this tutorial, I will not teach you guys about all these wire, because you can see that on your manual guide. And different motherboard have different place to put all those wires, so you can do that in your own time. And it also quite took a lot of time, and you actually have to turn all this desktop back to put all the wire in the right place. So I won't do that actually today. So this tutorial actually will only be about doing the screwing and everything like that. It won't be about the wire. Oh well, a little bit about the wire, like the main one, like the motherboard one, and the hard drive one I might do. Also the graphic card one. Oh, and the CD drive one. But the little one I won't do that, because different motherboard have different one. So now this is quite getting confused. Okay, I don't see the screw down there. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Here we have our power supply ready. So now, as I say, I find out which one is which right now. This one, this big ass one, you have like a lot of hole. It's for the motherboard and it's located here, and you guys cannot see that, right? Okay. So this one is for the motherboard, and let's see. This one is for the hard drive and the CD drive. So this one is what's this? Yeah, this one is for the graphic card. I can't do that right now because it's right in front of me. So yeah, everything is the same actually. All thing you have to put is put that lid, and we will hear the click sound, and then it's ready. So now this one too, nice and easy. There we go. So here you have your power supply ready.